Hello everyone, it's 10th January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page we have deal stalled as Modi didn't call Lutnick inaccurate, says government. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Going forward, we have focus on pollution. Government allocates additional rupees 496 crore to fix roads. Again, very important for infrastructure as well as environment perspective. Then we have 50% of drinking water pipelines decades old, says minister. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have amid tight security, 20 people offer Friday prayers at Turkman Gate Mosque. Number of arrests rises to 13. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have positive sentiments for ties EM after meeting Macron. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have hiccup in Beatles Ashram plan prompts sharp response from Uttarakhand government. Again, very important. Going forward, we have Manipur violence. The first case is being probed by CBI reaches trial stage. Again, very important for security perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have high quality education needs trust between state and institutions. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have how the Piprawa gems came home. Again, very important for art and culture perspective. Then we have the explained page where we have beyond economy, Iran state reflects rage against regime. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have US and the rest. NATO's collective might hides its wide disparities. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have US firms don't have much appetite for big Venezuela investment. Again, very important for economy perspective. Going forward, we have the world page where we have Iran's Khamenei vows to not back down as protests swell. Then we have two more shot by US immigration officers day after fatal ICE shooting. Then we have Israel strike kills 13 in Gaza. Trump expected to announce peace board. Then we have more US attacks on Venezuela will not be needed, says Trump. Then we have Russia fires hypersonic missile at target in Kyiv near NATO border. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have Trump's Russia sanctions bill may end Indian exports to US. Then we have India proactively forging partnership strategies to secure national interest. Lastly, we have stock indices log worst weekly fall in 3 months of fresh tariff concerns. All these news are very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.